Welcome back. Today we'll be solving another problem involving logarithms. It looks big, but let's break it down. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get interesting solutions to mathematical problems. Let's go. So let's bring all involving log to one side. So we'll have log of base to base 3, 2x minus 1 plus log to base 3, x plus 2. So let's bring this log to this side. So we'll have minus log to base 3, x minus 1 equal to 2. Now remember our quotient law of logarithm that says if we have, log A plus log B, this is the product law. It gives us log AB, multiply A and B. Also remember that log A minus log B for quotient, we have log A over B. So bearing these two laws in mind, let's go. So this will give us, since we have log 3, so we have our log 3 for all. So this one will follow this addition of product law. So we have 2x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Now this one will follow this subtraction law or quotient law, and then it will be divided by x minus 1. So all of this is what 1, 2, 3 gives us. So equal to 2. Now from here, we can take away the logarithm. Remember the law that says if you have log A to base B equal to m, then A, the number, will be B raised to the power m. Remember this law, and let's work with it. So from here, we're going to have our number, which is 2x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 all over x minus 1 equal to 3 raised to the power 2, following this idea. So we have 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, so from here we can cross multiply, and then for this bracket we have 2x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 equal to 9. That's 3 squared is 9 multiplied by x minus 1. Okay, so from here, what do? Let's expand this bracket. So this will give us 2x squared, it's 2x times 2, that's plus 4x, minus 1 times x, that's minus x, minus 1 times 2, that's minus 2, equal to 9 times x, that's 9x, and 9 times 1, that's 9. Okay, so this is looking quadratic. Let's rearrange to make it more familiar. So let's bring all the items here. So we have equal to 0. So we have 2x squared plus 4x minus x minus 2 minus 9x plus 9x becomes minus 9x over here. Then minus 9 becomes plus 9 over here, equal to 0. So we have 2x squared. So we have 4x minus 1x minus 9x. That's minus 6x minus 2 plus 9, that's plus 7, equal to 0. So this is quadratic. So now there are 3 ways we can proceed. We can use completing the square method or the formula method, because this cannot be factorized. 14. Yes, cannot be factorized easily. So remember our ax squared plus bx plus c equal 0. So for this equation, we have our x to be equal to, minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus all over 2a. This is a minus. Now let's continue over here. So from here we have comparing our ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 to 2x squared minus 6x plus 7 equals 0. Our a is 2, our b is minus 6, and our c is 7. So let's get right in. So x will be equal to minus b, which is minus 6, plus or minus square root of minus 6, that's b squared, minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 2, multiplied by c, which is 7, all over 2 multiplied by a, which is 2. Okay, so this will give us positive 6, as x will be positive 6 plus or minus the square root 36 minus 8 times 4 is 8, 8 multiplied by 7 is 56, all over 4. Okay, so x will be equal to 6 plus or minus the square root of negative 20 all over 4. Okay, so let's proceed. Let me come up here. So x is either equal to 6 plus negative 20 over 4, or x equals to 6 minus the square root of minus 20 over 4. Okay, so x is equal to 6 plus, this can be written as 4 times 5 times minus 1 all over 4, which is equal to 6 plus square root of 4 is 2, the square root of minus 1 is I, and then we'll have root 5 all over 4. Now x on the other hand will also give us 6 minus, that's we have 2 dot I dot root 5 over 4. Now looking at this I now, this I represents negative 1, which is a complex number. Now complex numbers are not real, but there are ways to manipulate numbers to get solutions. Now the question says find all real solutions to this problem. Now you have a complex number here, a complex number here. So there are no real solutions, and that's it. So to this problem, there are no real solutions. The solutions we have are complex. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe now for more interesting solutions to mathematical problems.